Malco's new line of building construction C-RHEX magnetic hex drivers are designed for heavy-duty jobs. Its deep-seated magnet is set for higher head fasteners to prevent contact between the magnet and the fastener, ensuring fasteners spin true. These drivers feature dual-ended reversible sockets. With a quick pull of the socket, switch between industry color-coded 1/4 and 5/16 inch, and cleaning the magnet is no problem. With the socket removed, just swipe with a glove or shop towel and you're good to go. The building construction C-RHEX is made of S2 hardened steel for long life and durability. The socket goes through a specialized polish which prevents the socket from binding on painted screws and falling from the shaft. Thanks to the deeper socket, these hex drivers are ideal for fasteners with higher head heights like concrete anchors and pole barn screws. And they come in 6 lengths from 2 to 12 inches. So there's a C-RHEX for every application. Malco's building construction C-RHEX, a deeper magnet C-RHEX to handle heavy-duty jobs.